Welcome to AV number 4, part number 4. A5, let us start with A5. With the help of the following points, write a poetic appreciation of the poem Song of the Open Road about the poem, poet and title, the theme, poetic style, the language, special features, message, values, morals in the poem, your opinion about the poem. तर पोएटिक ॲप्रिसिएशन जे आहे ते आपण या ठिकाणी करायचं आहे. तर सॉन्ग ऑफ द ओपन रोड इज अन इन्स्पिरेशनल पोएम ऑफ द अमेरिकन पोएट वॉल्ट व्हिटमन which is included in his collections of poems Leaves of Grass. The speaker of the poem is starting a journey on an open road. He feels light-hearted, healthy and free because he can choose to go wherever he wants to. He is done with routines of life and is in a cheerful mood to be open to the new experiences. Right from the beginning of the journey, he separates himself from all the worldly stress and pressures of the society. But he is not an escapist. He admits that he and his burden share a meaningful relationship. He has his own obligations and troubles, but he carries them along and is prepared to handle them as and when it is needed. He is sufficiently contented and so he does not wish for good luck while walking on the road. He is carefree and capable enough to create his own luck. The title of the poem is appropriate. The poet initially had decided to call it a poem, but since he is celebrating his journey and is talking about the joys of traveling on the open road, the poem is justified to be called a song. He is cheerful and is selling his joy to the readers, presenting his experience as a music to the ears of the reader. The road is open to all, propagating democratic values, and also it is the symbol of progress and mobility for everybody, the rich and the poor. The theme of the poem is freedom, relaxation, organ optimization, and above all, joy. The words match the tone and mood of the poem. Being free means being able to do anything. One wishes to do this more, to do the wants to influence the readers to be untroubled and find peace within themselves. His exemplary account of relaxed experience of the journey has the purpose of motivating readers to be stress-free about the worldly burdens which can be handled even while traveling in a cheerful mood. The poem is a dramatic monologue. The poet has used free words so that he does not have to worry about rhyming or many metrical patterns. His style of writing is as free as his attitude towards life. Free words also gives an opportunity to talk to the readers in an informal conversational tone. The poet uses repetition to make the reader understand the importance of traveling on an open road, which gives him an opportunity to choose the direction. The road has a represent fortune and is very clearly saying again and again about his confidence to make his own luck. He is also not shy of carrying his burden and is definite to take them along as sweet memories as well as strong enough to solve them whenever necessary. The use of the personal pronoun I is very prominent in this poem as this poem basically talks about self motivation, awareness, freedom from stresses in life, and practical attitude towards life. The poet talks about his first hand knowledge about such a travel where there is no obligations but he has absolute freedom to take his own decision. This is the story, his experience, his feelings, and so the personal pronoun dominates. One special feature of the poem that immediately catches attention is the addition of last four lines as parentheses. That is, putting them in bracket as if they have suddenly come to his mind and he is telling the readers as an aside, taking them into confidence. The poem talks about the lessons of life. It was written in the mid 19th century but is very much relevant today also. The readers feel encouraged to enjoy traveling, to be bold and satisfied. In spite of having worldly worries, it is possible to be cheerful if they are dealt with when they come rather than worrying about them beforehand. तर पोएटिक ॲप्रिसिएशन या पद्धतीने इथे आलेलं आहे आणि नंतर आहे राईट 4 to 6 lines ऑफ फ्री वर्ड्स ऑन द टॉपिक द रोड अँड दॅट लीड्स टू माय कॉलेज express that it is the road to knowledge and bright future. You may begin like this. Every day I read with the bag of books. तर आपण या पद्धतीने एक चार ओळी ज्या आहेत त्या इथे तयार करायच्या आहेत आणि मुक्त छंदातल्या ह्या ओळी ज्या आहेत त्या इथे सुरुवात करायच्या आहेत त्या आपण एक कॉम्पोजिशन म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी आपण ते करायचं आहे. त्यानंतर आहे राईट अ ब्लॉग ऑन द फॉलोइंग टॉपिक. एक टॉपिक दिलेला आहे, त्याच्यावर एक आपल्याला ब्लॉग रायटिंग करायला सांगितलेलं आहे. मॅन इज फ्री बाय बर्थ. तर अगदी जन्मापासूनच त्या ठिकाणी माणूस हा मुक्त आहे. तर त्याबद्दल तुम्हाला ब्लॉग रायटिंग जी आहे ती करायची आहे. नंतर आहे एक्सपंड द आयडियाज सजेस्टेड इन द फॉलोइंग लाईन्स. ऑल रोड्स लीड टू रोम. तर सगळे रस्ते हे रोमला जातात. याच्यातली जी संकल्पना आहे, अ मॅन विदाउट लिबर्टी इज अ बॉडी विदाउट अ सोल. तर स्वातंत्र्याशिवाय माणूस जो आहे तो आत्म्याशिवाय शरीर असं असतं. तर ती संकल्पना आपल्याला तिचं विस्तृतीकरण जे आहे ते करायचं आहे. आणि लास्ट आहे टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द सोर्सेस अवेलेबल ऑन द इंटरनेट अँड मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ प्रोव्हर्ब्स अँड कोटेशन अबाउट रोड. तर रोडबद्दलचे काही म्हणी आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी शोधायचे आहेत आणि काही कोटेशन्स असतील ते शोधायचे आहेत. रीड द पोएम द रोड नॉट टेकन बाय रॉबर्ट फॉस्ट. तर ही कविता जी आहे रॉबर्ट फॉस्टची ती पण आपल्याला वाचायची आहे. तर असे रायटिंग स्किलमधलं हे टॉपिक जे आहे ते आपण पूर्ण करायचे आहे. तर या पद्धतीने आपली कविता जी आहे ती आपण संपवलेली आहे आणि इथे आपण थांबूया.